So this site is called straight section, a straight section because it's straight. And a couple of things you should note about this just maybe would help to explain any of the results you might find here. First of all, the geology in this point. Well, actually I should say there's no human intervention directly at this stage. This is a more natural stretch of the river. But the geology at this point, actually the banks are made up of pretty much soil. So in one sense they're going to be more resistant to erosion than some of the rocks. But also if you look, you see there's quite dense vegetation all the way down to the edge of the banks here, which actually is going to help to consolidate them or keep them strong against the erosion. So if this stretch is slightly narrower than some of the other stretches, that might be one of the things that helps to explain your anomaly. The fact that the root systems bind together the soil, making it slightly less susceptible to erosion. And if we have a look at this tree here, you can see how that is definitely the case. In fact, this tree and its days are numbered. It's going to end up kind of like those trees down there quite soon that have fallen over, because this tree currently is being undermined. So you can see the erosion here has already exposed the root system, and the tree is leaning over at a precarious angle, just like that one down there. So it will fall in, erosion will win eventually, but that tree has actually postponed the rate of erosion along this bank because of that root system. So the river may well be slightly narrower here, and that's why. Also, if you look at the banks, you can see that there's quite a lot of rocks in them. Those rocks are bigger perhaps than average, so if your pebble size tends to be a bit of an anomaly here, that might be part of the explanation as well. Could well be that that material there, whenever the bank is eroded, releases rocks into the river, which have just arrived out of the soil and haven't had much time yet to experience erosion through attrition, and therefore might be slightly bigger than normal. And that might help to explain straight section.